my channel. And today in this video what I'm going to be doing is, so all the rest of my family have done this, so if I show you here, you can see there's a little plaque here and it's got a tree on it, and see that's my dad's tree, Nick's tree. It shows when it was planted and the type of tree it is. And also my sister has done one, and I think my mum has done one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing my one, and I thought I'd just make it into a YouTube video for you guys. So it's just something quick and easy that you guys can do at home. So I'm going to be using a CNC to make this and put all the writing in it. But if you don't have a CNC, you can just buy a name tag online. And then you can write all the details in. But I think this is just a really cool thing for people to do at home at the moment. And if you don't have a tree, choose a plant. And also, don't forget, it will be there forever, with your name on it. Alright, so I really hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. So I've just done this. So I've just written that on the CNC. But remember guys, if you don't have a CNC, you can always just write this stuff on a name tag. Alright, so I'm going to now select a piece of wood and get carving. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this with black gloss spray, and I'm doing it just so it shows all the writing more clearly. Okay guys, so here we go. As you can see, I have attached a bit of copper wire to it so I can hang it on the tree. Oh. Also guys, I must stress that if you do not have a CNC, then you can just get a tree tag. I'll leave some links in the description for some tree tags I found on Amazon that are next day delivery. So if you don't have a CNC, just get a tree tag and then write all the info on the tag. And I also think this is just something really cool you guys can do at home. And remember, if you don't have a tree, you can name a plant. And the tag on the tree will always be there, and it's like something to remember what you did. Alright, so let's go put this on my tree. Okay, so I've chosen this tree here. And since the branches are quite high up, I'm going to need a ladder.
Don't fall, Charlie.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked this project. It was just something quick and easy you could do at home. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time with another video with Charlie the Maker.